Hey guys, welcome back. This is the second time I've done this haul video. First time the files are corrupted and I cannot get them back. I want to show you what we found at our Goodwill trip that I posted a short on. We found a ton of vintage cigarette advertisements. So the first thing we found was some of these Winston Cup Series Champions tins. They still have all the advertisements in them and all the matches. We found a grand total of 4 of those. All the boxes look good except for one, so that's why I took out that one. The next thing we found, and I think this was the only box too that was pretty bad, maybe one more, Joe Camel tin with matches. We found 4 of these also. Then, I think the cooler ones that we found were these Winston Select Weekends can coolers. There's a marlin, an armadillo, a lobster, and flamingos. All in total of these, we found 22 of them. We ended up getting these for $1 each. It was $1.99, 50% off, because everything in the store was 50% off due to their back to school sale. So we spent $22 on these. On the metal tins, these were $2.99, 50% off. So we got them all the metal ones for $1.50 each. I think we did well. They're gonna sell, not huge money, but they're gonna sell. I kind of channeled my inner Tesla picker for a second when I noticed these on the shelf. What was super funny was when I was loading up the cart with these, this little boy was standing next to me and he said, "Why do you need so many mugs?" And I kind of just chuckled. I really didn't have an answer for him because I don't know why I need all of them. Also, what we found at the store was this Garmin Nuvi 750. I do have to make sure everything's still in the box, but I thought it looked like it was. We picked this up. It was $5.49, half off. So what's that make? About $2.75-ish. Then we also found this Motorola, or this Verizon LG Extrovert 2 cell phone, which these things actually do fairly well. We got this for $2.59 also. It looks in pretty good shape. It doesn't turn on. There's no charger in here, but I think it's probably a good phone. I'll list it as untested and we'll go from there. So that's all we found from there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little haul video. Like I said in the last one, that I just couldn't get the video to work. We were just going to Goodwill to actually get some personal stuff that my wife needed for a party. So, and luckily we came across all this stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick haul video. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and comment below. Let us know you guys are liking the videos. It seems like I've been seeing a lot of new names in the chat and whatnot. So also remember to join us on our Saturday Night Lives and also Monday Night Lives too. But until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.